Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. The weather is getting warmer each day now that it's spring, so today we're making avocado ice cream. This recipe is vegan and sugar-free, perfect for those who are health conscious. There are only 5 main ingredients. In a glass container, combine 3 avocados, 1 banana, and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Then add the maple syrup. The amount depends on how sweet you like it. Then add the coconut milk. Make sure to drain the coconut water and only add the milk. Mash the avocados and mix well together. You don't really need any kitchen gadget, but if you want a smoother texture, you can use a mixer. This version has a chunky avocado and banana texture. Freeze the mixture for about 4 hours. The more coconut water is in the mixture, the harder and less creamy the ice cream. So make sure to separate the coconut milk from the coconut water and mix only the milk. This avocado ice cream is very tasty and a great dessert, especially in the coming warm months. Hope you can try this very simple, homemade, dairy-free, sugar-free ice cream recipe. Thank you for watching. You can also watch a related video on how to make guacamole. The video is also linked below.